Good night. And I like to, by the way, I am Michael Sino from Portia Sapphire, and I like to show my table sitting in the most difficult folding napkin. First, I have a clean cloth here. As you see, it's clean and no rushes. Then, and the first, we put the utensils there. First, we have the service plate, and remember, it is 1 inch distance from the edge and the soup bowl. As you see, it's nice and clear. Then these are the spoons and the fork. Knife. Spoons and the knife. Then this is the dinner knife, 1 inch distance. Then this is the teaspoon and the soup spoon. Then this is the fork. This is the dinner fork. Remember, it's 1 inch distance. And the salad fork. That's it. And next, the next, this is the bread plate. This is the bread plate and the bread knife. As you see, it's clean and nice. Then next, this is the dessert spoon. Then next, the cake fork. And these are the glass. This is the water glass, red wine and white wine. And at last, this is the cup and saucers.
At last,
And now we will teach you how to make this most difficult napkin folding in the world. And I don't know what this name for, but as I say, I learned it from Miss Ducking. Then I don't know what's the name of this. The first, with the one hole, we will fold it to 1/2, like that. As you see, it's 1/2. Walang labis, walang kulang. Then first we will fold it to the 1/4. Oh no. Okay. Next try. Then cut to 1/2, and next fold it to 1/4. Then last 1/8. Then remember, as you see, this
wait.
the opening.
Wait. That's really the hardest thing.
Yeah, this is the hardest, and I practice it for many times. Then remember that the opening of this must be facing to you. That's all. Thank you.
Voila! I'm Brownie.
What the?
I'm Brownie from Portugal. I work in Dublin.
Yes,
I am Brownie Bruno.
Wait, can you upload na? Asa mo na ni mo butang, man.